In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $12,295 in commission with affiliate marketing using Twitter, just by using free traffic from Twitter. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Twitter, how do I get free traffic, how do I choose profitable services or products that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. And I made this commission just in 22 days of the month of September, this month, okay? From the first day of September until the day 22 of September. And last month I made $17,325 in commission, and it's paid. I received this money in my PayPal account. This is my invoice, and so on. So anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Search for this website, okay? Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So all you have to do, you just need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. This will be your home page. You just need to scroll down like this, come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Let me show you. Go to community, click on affiliate like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. This one is profitable, okay? So just click here on join now. If you want to create your affiliate account, you just need to click on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and you will answer next few questions, and that's it. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, okay? What you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Twitter to earn commissions, and they will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Twitter, and they will share with you the method that I'm using to find people who will be interested to buy those services from my affiliate link, okay? Step number 3, what you will do next, you will go to Fiverr again. Go back to your Fiverr homepage, okay? To this homepage on Fiverr, click on the search for video editing. Search for this service, okay? Please pay close attention in this step. Always you will find a lot of people here who are providing this service, as you can see. So what you will do next is you need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Because people who will check your affiliate link, they will check the feedback and the reviews of those sellers, okay? So it's very important to choose good sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. It has almost 5 star. I will do professional video editing in 24 hours, which is really good. This one provides fast delivery. I will click on his service like this. So you guys just click on the service that you want to use to promote it, and here you go. You will be directly in this home page, as you can see, of this seller. You guys can see the proof that it's working, that people are paying for those services. 20 orders in queue, you guys can see. So those people who keep saying in the comment it's not working, it's fake, people will not buy those services, it's not working, it's saturated, you guys keep making excuses, and you guys can see the proof. It's already working. People are buying those services. You just need to find those people who will be interested to buy like those services from you. You can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business if you do it correctly, and if you follow those steps, and of course if you stay consistent. Okay, 20 orders in queue. It's almost 1000 people paid for this service. You can see this. Okay, I'm not, it's this is the proof. Anyway, what you will do next, you will click on the link of this seller, copy his profile link like this, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on dashboard. Here you have your dashboard, click on marketing tools like this, and click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. As you can see, it's simple and it's easy. What you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. So what we will do next, we will just go to Twitter. Go and open your Twitter account like this. You guys have Twitter account. If you don't have, you can go to Google, search for X Twitter, sign up by using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on the search for I need a video editor, search for this keyword, and here you go. I love video editing, finance niche video, need video editor. Okay, this one. Let's scroll down. You can find a lot of people here who are searching for video editors, and I will show you how. Let's scroll down. Okay, so just search for I need video editor and scroll down until you find like those posts. Let me show you. This is my video editing. Let's scroll down. It will take few minutes from your time, guys, to start searching and to find people who will be interested to buy those services. Okay, I need video editor. Anybody out there, give me a shot. You guys can see like this one. You guys can see this one is searching for video editor. I need video editor. You should find a lot of people like this one. Okay, what you will do, you will scroll down and you will click here on reply like this. Okay, and we will reply to this person with our affiliate link. So this person is searching for video editor, as you can see. So what I will ask him, if you are still searching for video editor, check this top rated seller on Fiverr, and I will put my affiliate link here. So what I will do next, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started and you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you will not see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now. I already said that in all my videos, and I still have this option. For you, you should see just this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. And as you can see, this affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link before I send it to this one. You guys can go to Google, search for Bitly. This website make long links, short links. You just need to put your affiliate link here and click on create, and that's it. And here you go. This is your short affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to your Twitter account and put your affiliate link here like this, and click on reply, and that's it. Your affiliate link will be sent to this person, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be sent to this person like this. Okay, you guys can see this one. This is my Fiverr affiliate link. This is my message. You guys can use this message if you want, or you can edit this one and use your own message. You can also go to ChatGPT, use ChatGPT to create a professional and friendly message, because this message is very important. Okay, and that's it. You can find a lot of people here who are searching for video editors on Twitter. Every single day you can find a lot of new people searching for video editor. You just need to be the first one who will send this message to those people. Okay, And if you do that, you can make your first commissions from your first week. If you are doing this method, you can earn your first commissions in your first week starting this business using free traffic, and that's it. Also, I want to explain something, that guys, this commission that I made, it didn't come just from Twitter sending those messages to on Twitter. Of course not. I'm making a lot of commission from Twitter, but I'm not using just Twitter. I'm focusing on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, okay? And I'm using Quora, I'm using LinkedIn, I'm using YouTube Shorts, and so much more. If you guys are interested, you can comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you a lot of new methods. For people who are asking me if do I have any affiliate marketing course, yes I do. I have an affiliate marketing course that explaining this business from scratch, step by step. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I'm really happy to help you start this business step by step. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.